Oh my goodness. Rain, rain, go away, come back on another day. The doggies want to go out and play. Right, Bo? They're like, no, 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 I'll get wet. My paws will get wet. I'll go outside? Outside? This guy right here with the blue collar, he's terrified of the thunder. Now it's slowing down a little bit. It was just pouring. That's why I got my video camera out, because it was so loud. The rain was coming down so hard. Drip, drip, drip. But the good news is we planted a lot of flowers and a lot of plants, and they're getting some good rain. They needed that. The bad news is I'm stuck in the house with a bunch of barking, semi-damp dogs that smell rather doggy. Don't you pee on my deck. They said we can't go out in the grass when it's wet and go pee pee. Say we'll get wet. We'll get wet. We'll be soggy doggies.